So I'm out here in Breckenridge, Colorado for a couple weeks working remote. I have a couple other friends who are able to work remote as well, so we come out here, we try to come out as much as possible and ski, and we're lucky to be in ski and ski out because it helps for that flexibility of working, getting a couple hours of riding in, you know, coming back and working, and I feel extremely lucky to be able to do that. Extremely lucky.
Going up the 6 chair here in Breckenridge. Beautiful, beautiful day. A little cold, but that's all right. We're gonna head up Imperial and hike up there to some of the hike to terrain. Right there. We out here in Beaver Creek. Just got 6 inches of snow last night. Pretty nice. Drove from Frisco. It's like an hour. It's pretty awesome. I always think it's a little bit less crowded than Vail and Breckenridge and all those. And here we got Garrison coming down. Oh yeah, baby. Ah! There's a fox! Hi!